In this video, I show you why the 2021 Toyota Camry is the best-selling midsize sedan. Let's see how the Camry stacks up to the top competitors in this midsize segment. I'll go over the changes for 2021, powertrain, dimensions, pricing, features, reliability, resale value, and go over the pros and cons for the 2021 Camry. The Toyota Camry is the best-selling midsize sedan in America. Even with SUVs becoming the family vehicle of choice in the US, the Camry managed to outsell all other sedans and most SUVs, including the popular Honda Accord, Nissan Rogue, and the Subaru Forester. The 2021 Camry brings minor changes. The base model L is discontinued, and now the LE is the base. The front end gets a minor redesign. The infotainment screen changes with a new floating design. It's available in 7 inches or 9-inch touchscreens. 2021 also brings improvements to driver assist technology, including better bicycle and pedestrian detection. Let's talk about the base engine. The Camry has a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine with 203 horsepower and 182 pound-feet of torque. The engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Camry is available in front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The Camry starts at $24,970, which is slightly higher than the competitors here. Comparing the base engine Camry to the base engine competitors, you can see that the Camry has the most horsepower with 203 versus around 190 for the Accord, the Altima, and the Sonata. The Accord does have a standard turbocharged engine with more torque than the Camry. However, if you want the lowest maintenance and long-term durability, naturally aspirated engines are tough to beat. The 8-speed automatic transmission is unique in this class, as the others here all have a continuously variable transmission, or CVT. CVTs are inexpensive for manufacturers to produce and generally improves fuel economy. The main drawbacks of CVTs is the lackluster throttle response and the less sporty and disconnected feeling they tend to produce. If you prefer a more connected and linear experience, Toyota's conventional 8-speed automatic is definitely the winner here. Even with having the most horsepower and not using a CVT, the Camry managed to have excellent fuel economy. The 4-cylinder front-wheel drive Camry has 28 city, 39 highway, and 32 combined MPG, while the all-wheel drive Camry has 25 city, 34 highway, and 29 combined MPG. As you can see, the competitors are pretty much within 1 MPG of each other. If you want all-wheel drive, your choices are reduced to the Camry, the Altima, and the Subaru Legacy. If you want better fuel economy, the Camry is available in a hybrid, which gets up to an insane 52 MPG combined. Looking at the interior dimensions, the Camry is pretty average in terms of headroom, legroom, and cargo room. The Accord is the car you want if you want an enormous back seat and the largest cargo area. The Camry holds its own in terms of spaciousness, even for taller drivers and passengers. In terms of features, the Camry comes standard with the Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, which is their driver safety system, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure alert, auto high beams, automatic lane tracing, road sign assist, and radar cruise control. 2-year 25,000-mile maintenance is also included. Comparing the Camry's standard features to the competitors, you can see that the Camry has some of the best standard features. These include bi-LED headlights, which means both low beam and high beam are LED to enhance night visibility. The Camry is the only one in the 4 here to offer this feature. The Camry also has automatic climate control standard, unlike the Altima and the Sonata. The Accord does one better with dual-zone climate control standard. Camry does not have push-button start, unlike the Accord and the Altima. Other standard features include a 7-inch infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The Camry also includes an 8-way power driver's seat standard. That's a nice feature missing in the standard trims of the Accord and the Sonata. The Camry also comes standard with 17-inch alloy wheels. That's great because steel wheels with plastic covers is all you get with the lowest trim of the Altima. Safety features are one of the main reasons car buyers upgrade their vehicles. Toyota includes most of the top driver safety features standard. The Camry includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure alert, lane trace assist, road sign assist, and my favorite, adaptive cruise control. Blind spot warning and rear cross traffic alert is an additional $680. If you look at the Accord and the Sonata, you can't even get the blind spot warning and rear cross traffic alert in the base model. The Altima makes you go to a higher trim to get adaptive cruise control. The Camry is the winner here if you're looking for the latest driver safety features, even in the base trim. If you want to step up in power, the Camry is available with a 301 horsepower, naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine. This is one of the few V6s left in this class and is a very reliable engine. The competition's up-level engines are turbo 4-cylinders and they provide good power but won't be silky smooth like the Camry's V6. In terms of available luxury features, the Camry can be had with a panoramic moonroof, ventilated seats, color heads-up display, wireless charging, remote start, and 360-degree camera. Toyota does not offer memory seats or wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto. As you can see on this chart, none of the competition offers everything. For example, while the Accord has wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, it doesn't offer a panoramic moonroof or a 360-degree camera. The Altima doesn't offer a panel roof, ventilated seats, or wireless charging. The Sonata is missing wireless CarPlay, and the optional engine is the weakest in the class by far. The Sonata N9 will change that in the future. One reason the Camry sells so well is the perceived reliability of Toyotas. Consumer Reports data confirms what most of us expected. The Camry has a better than average reliability for model year 2020, and that shouldn't change for 2021, since it's not a brand new model. In fact, Camry has scored better than average or much better than average reliability every single year since 2012. It seems that there is a reason why Toyota is consistently in the top 3 of all automakers for reliability year after year. For 2020, they were number 2 in brand reliability overall. Another common factor used by consumers when choosing a car is how well it will hold its value. The Camry does very well in resale value. The Camry's 2-year resale value is 74.4% of its original price. That's higher than the Accord, Altima, and the Sonata. The 5-year resale value of the Camry is 50.7%, which trails the Accord's 52.3%, but tops the Altima and the Sonata. Finally, the 8-year resale value for the Camry is again the best at 38.8%. While the Camry has the highest retail starting price of all the cars here, it retains its value the best overall. That is reassuring for buyers as whatever premium they pay up front is paid back when you sell your car years down the road. For a $30,000 car, a 10% difference in resale value means $3,000 when you trade in your car or sell your car. Let's go over the pros and cons of the Toyota Camry. First, the Camry has a very strong standard 4-cylinder engine with over 200 horsepower. You won't find that much horsepower in any other competitor's base engine. Second, it has a conventional 8-speed automatic transmission. You won't have to worry about CVTs like most other competitors. The 8-speed automatic transmission is a proven and reliable unit. Next, Toyota gives the Camry a lot of standard features like bi-LED headlights, 17-inch alloy wheels, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Another positive for the Camry is the availability of the all-wheel drive option. You can also choose the hybrid with up to 52 mpg fuel efficiency. If you want a smooth and powerful engine, the Camry is one of the only sedans offering a V6 engine. The Camry also has distinct appearance differences between the more luxury-oriented LE and XLE trims versus the sporty SE and XSE trims. You can even get the very sporty-looking Camry TRD, which has improved handling and braking. The other Camry pros are the reliability and resale value. The Camry reliability is excellent year after year, and the resale value is amongst the best in its class. Safety is also a positive for Camry, as it has many driver assistance tech standard. I appreciate Toyota for not making you go to the highest trims to get things like blind spot warning and rear cross traffic alert. The Camry also achieved the best score of Top Safety Pick Plus from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety IIHS's Crashworthiness, Crash Avoidance, and Headlight Performance Test. Cons for the Camry include a higher starting price than most of the competition. The other con is not a major one, but the Camry doesn't offer memory seats at all. You have to go up to the Avalon to get that. That's a bummer since most competitors offer memory seats as an option. The base model Camry LE starts at $24,970. Toyota says that the non-hybrid SE trim is the most popular trim for the Camry. The SE starts at $26,485. The most expensive trim is the XSE V6, which starts at $35,545. So the question is, why do so many people buy the Toyota Camry? It's because the Camry does almost everything well. It looks good, it performs great, it's roomy and practical, it gets good fuel economy with the regular 4-cylinder engine, and excellent fuel economy with the hybrid. It can also get all-wheel drive. The Camry has safety features standard that people are looking for. And probably one thing most car reviewers ignore is the reliability. With the Camry, you don't have to worry about being stranded on the side of the road or your car not starting. It's the peace of mind that you get when you buy a high-quality product with an impeccable reputation for long-lasting durability and reliability. What do you think of the Camry? Thanks for watching. Have a great day.